Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to explore the fascinating world of language with you. Today, we're diving into a word that brings a sense of serenity. The word calm. It's a B1 level verb, and it means to make peaceful. Now, when we say something calms us, it means it helps us become less agitated or stressed. Think of it like smoothing out the wrinkles of a ruffled mind. We can use calm in many ways. For instance, we could say, the gentle music calmed the baby, or I took deep breaths to calm my nerves before the presentation. Let's explore some synonyms for calm. Words like soothe, pacify, and appease share a similar meaning. For instance, a warm cup of tea soothes my throat, or the teacher pacified the students after the fire drill, or the soft words appeased the angry customer. Each of these words conveys a sense of reducing intensity or restoring peace, much like calm. Now, let's look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of calm. We have words like agitate, excite, and disturb. Think about how these feel compared to calm. We might say, the loud noise agitated the dog, or the roller coaster excited the children, or the news disturbed the quiet evening. These words all bring a sense of restlessness and a lack of peace, opposite of our word today. How might we use calm in everyday life? Well, you could say, try to calm down when someone is upset. You might tell someone, the scenery was very calming, or I need to calm my mind before bed. These expressions show how we use calm in regular conversations. Consider phrases like, let's just calm ourselves, or I need a moment to calm my thoughts. You hear these phrases often in everyday speech. Here are some more sentences that incorporate calm. The yoga class helped calm my anxiety. She tried to calm her fears by thinking positive thoughts. The gentle rain began to calm the dusty streets. The coach told the team to calm their excitement before the final game. A long walk in the woods usually calms me. He spoke in a very calm voice. So, to recap, the word calm, a B1 verb, means to make peaceful. We explored synonyms like soothe, pacify, and appease, and antonyms such as agitate, excite, and disturb, seeing how each is used in context. We looked at how it appears in daily speech and how we can incorporate it into our conversations. I hope you found today's word enlightening and useful. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you've enjoyed learning about the word calm, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and grow their vocabulary too. And for a little extra practice, I'd love for you to write a sentence using calm in the comments below. I can't wait to read them.
See you next time.